I wanted to show you today a short video on the settings that a regular user is able to configure in their profile. So I am going to go to the top right hand corner, hit the drop down and my profile. In here I'm able to see a quick overview of the information that I have displayed. This is generally the information that is configured and set up by the admin when you have been created as a new user. If I go over to the advanced setting, here I am able to say whether I would like to receive pop-up reminders 30 minutes prior to events, or whether I don't want to receive them at all. So I'm able to configure this. Also, I am able to change the layout options within my profile as well. So this is what the module is set to at the moment, and you can see that we have it pinned as 8 modules, and I am actually going to change the layout because calls is really important to me. So I am going to drag calls up here and leave it at that. I'm also going to hide some modules because I don't work with targets and I don't work with target lists. So I'm going to hide those there as well. When I scroll down, I'm also able to change the local settings. So how I would like to see the date format. So I am going to change this to the day, month and year. I'm keeping my time format in as it is. My time zone is correct, and my preferred currency, I actually want to be able to see euro. So these are the types of bits of information that you're able to configure as a user. I am going to hit save. So you can see here that it has gone up and updated my navigation bar. Also, I'm able to view the level of access that I have across the system. I'm also able to view what teams that I am involved in. I'm not able to configure this because to configure teams and roles, you must be an administrator. And here I'm also able to see what add-ons that I have within the instance, but I'm not using any for the sake of this demonstration. So that's just a quick video to show you what a user can and cannot configure within their instance. You're also able to select email reminders here, so rather than a pop-up reminder with a little box that would appear in the middle of the screen, users can set up to have email reminders for meetings or calls that are coming up. So that's a really handy thing to have to make sure that users are always on time. Thanks ever so much. If you have any questions or would need any further help, please do not hesitate to contact me.